So hello everyone, today we have a Skoda Superb with us which has a 1.8 TSi engine. The problem with this engine is it has an oil consumption issue. TSi engines are known for their oil consumption issue due to the poor piston ring design and which increases the blow by. So on diagnosis we have found the oil mist separator is leaking oil into the intake manifold. As you can see, this is the breather hose and there is lot of oil in the breather hose. There should not be any oil in this hose as it is supplying vapor into the intake manifold, and the oil is drained into the oil pan from the oil separator. This is the PCV wall. So we will replace the PCV wall and check the vehicle for any oil consumption further. So we have a Vika oil separator PCV wall. So Vikas are known for their very good reliability, and they are actually good than OEM. So the drain hole in this PCV wall is somewhat bigger than the OEM brand. So we'll replace that. To replace the PCV wall, first of all we have to disconnect the ignition coils. So we have to remove the coupler of ignition coil, all 4 couplers, and we have to keep aside the harness. So 3 and 4 ignition coils have to be removed. 3 and 4 number cylinder ignition coil have to be removed, and we have to unscrew all the tightening screws on the PCV wall. There are total of 8 screws. So the next step would be to remove the breather hose which goes into the intake pipe of the turbocharger. So you can use a flathead screwdriver and just slide it out. After removing all the screws of the PCV wall, lift up the PCV wall and clean the mating surface on the cylinder head. So this is the brand new PCV wall from Vika. So this has a one-way wall. So we will place the PCV wall on the cylinder head cover and align it with the screw holes. So we will ensure the proper alignment and fix the breather hose inside the PCV wall. Next step would be to screw all the screws back into the place. So after the assembly, we would drive the vehicle for around 1000 kilometers and check for any oil consumption. According to Volkswagen workshop manual, the oil consumption should not be greater than 100 ml per 1000 kilometers.